In this tutorial, we're going to learn how we can do one sample t-test in SPSS. One sample t-test is to compare a mean to a fixed value. For instance, you can compare like the mean score of students' reading is different from 45 or not. So the number 45 is predetermined by you as a researcher. We can write a non-hypothesis and alternatives hypothesis as follows. So one is that the mean or reading score is not significantly different from 45. Alternatively, is that you just remove the not and say that the mean or reading score is significantly different from 45. Okay, now we have a basic idea about what one sample t-test is. We're going to see how we can do that in SPSS. Now we come to SPSS. So as you can see that in this data set, there are 200 rows of data. That means that there are 200 students in this sample. And we're going to see that their reading score and whether the mean or reading score is different from 45 or not. So how can we do that? We click the Analyze and compare mean and click the one sample t-test. I did that earlier, but let me just do that again. So you click the array here as a test variable and then type the value we predetermine here. So we try to compare the mean score or reading, whether it's different from 45 or not. I click OK. It will generate output. So this is the output here. As you can see, the mean score is 52.23 and it compare 45. So the number we type is here, and then so this is the t statistics and the degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is the m-2, and this is the p-value with t2-tailed p-value, and which is smaller than 0.001. So I mean, you see the all 0 here, but actually you need to report it as p smaller than 0.01 rather than 0, because it only shows the outer 3 decimals. So that's the mean differences. So basically it's just like the mean, the 52 minus 45. So that's the 7.23 here. Now we know the output. We know how to do that in SPSS. Finally, I'm going to show you how we can report this. So let me go back to the slide and show you how you can do that. So this is the short paragraph I have prepared. So basically is that how you're going to report this one sample t-test. You want to write a report for that. So you can say that the mean or reading score is like 52.23 and for the p-value is smaller than 0.001. Thus we reject the non-hypothesis. You can also write a non-alternate hypothesis in the report, but I did not include that here. But I mean, I would say that it's optional, but I guess it's better that you add a non and alternate hypothesis here. But anyway, so we can say we reject a non-hypothesis and conclude that the mean or the reading score, namely this, is significantly different from 45. Okay, that's how we can write a report. So remember that this is just one version of writing a report. Maybe you have slightly different version of writing that, but this is basically just a sample, example here. So thank you for watching, and if you find this tutorial useful, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.